In this video, I'll show you how to change age in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and make sure you are signed in to the account you normally use. Tap your profile icon, then go to Settings or Account Settings. Look for any option related to personal information, account information, birthday, or age. If CapCut allows age editing in your version, you may be able to update your birthday from this section. Enter the correct date of birth, save the changes, and then restart the app. If you do not see an option to change your age directly inside CapCut, your age may be connected to the account you used to sign in. For example, if you signed in with TikTok, Google, Apple, Facebook, or another login method, you may need to update your birthday or personal information through that account instead. Open the app or website connected to your login method, go to its account settings, and check whether your date of birth can be updated there. After changing it, sign out of CapCut, then sign back in using the same account. If your age was entered incorrectly and you cannot edit it yourself, the best option is to contact CapCut support. Go to CapCut settings, find feedback, help, or support, and explain that your date of birth is incorrect. They may ask you to verify your account before making changes. Keep in mind that age settings can affect which features are available, especially content, templates, privacy settings, and account restrictions. You should only enter your real date of birth, because using incorrect age information may cause account problems. If nothing changes after updating your information, try updating CapCut to the latest version, clearing the app cache, and restarting your device. Then open CapCut again and check whether your account settings have updated. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.